Today I'm going to show you how to pair an iPhone to 2016 RX 450h with navigation system. We are going to start by pressing the menu button. After that you will select Setup, Bluetooth, Yes, and now we will go to our iPhone settings to finish pairing. On your iPhone, you will select Settings, your Bluetooth, make sure your Bluetooth is on. Your iPhone will sync with the vehicle. You will see it Lexus RX. I will select Lexus RX. And your iPhone will connect your phone, and also your Bluetooth audio player will be paired. If you'd like to see your text messages displayed on the navigation screen, select I next to Connected. You will see Show Notifications and you turn them on.